This video will show you how to add different items to your Google site. When editing your Google site, you can add a bunch of different items. Here, under the Insert tab, you can add things like text boxes, images, embed codes, or things straight from your Google Drive. You also have some options for some different layouts. For example, if I were to click on this one, it gives me a place where I can click this plus and upload something from my computer, add an image, and so forth that's going to be already sized to this box. I can then add some text, and this is a title text, and this is normal size text. I can use those layouts, or I can create my own by double-clicking in the white area and selecting one of those options I mentioned before, the text box, image, upload something from your computer, or from your Google Drive, as well as embed codes. I can also scroll down here and see a bunch of other things that I can add, like collapsible text, a table of contents, and so forth. I can also link YouTube videos straight to my website. Now, if I wanted to add something like a Google Doc that's already in my Drive, I'm going to click on Docs. And here on the right, it's going to show me my Google Drive. Let's add this one, for example. Once I double click on it, you'll see that my Google Doc shows up here. I can use these dots to rescale it. Keep in mind, it can take a little while, so go slowly when you're moving these dots. I can move things around here on my site and position them where I want them to go. Make sure you publish it before you finish. That way it gets updated for your viewers. And that's it. Check out the other videos for more information and helpful tips.